Hello viewer, are you getting Google Chrome or Snap problem? In this tutorial, I will show you or Snap Google Chrome fix. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Go to your app section. Now search Google Chrome. Go to Google Chrome. Now scroll down. Click on Google Chrome Storage. Now, from the lower corner, clear cache data from Google Chrome app. Now go back and follow the second step. Open Google Play Store. Now search Google Chrome app. Now update your Google Chrome app and install its latest version. So in this way, you can fix Google Chrome or Snap problem.